Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showcasing my multi-villager converter. So what this contraption does is it allows you to convert multiple villagers into zombies, splash them all with one potion, and then send them off to your trading hall or wherever you need them. So as you can see, the zombie starts attacking them, and the rest will get converted faster since they're all in the same chamber. So now that they're all converted, you can press this note block which will splash them with weakness and then send them through the output. So a couple things about this design. The inputs and outputs are both at 16 game tick. The input needs to be 16 at least, that way this hopper isn't on cooldown by the time the next minecart arrives. This also gives enough time for the zombie to see this villager and start attacking it before it gets pushed to the back, and then he doesn't have line of sight. As for the output, I set it to 16 game ticks since that's the delay for the trading hall I designed, which I'll show in another video. But you can adjust this to be more or less depending on your needs. A couple more things about this design. This is where you load the weakness potions. I recommend the 4-minute, since if you're converting a lot, you're going to want to have time to go to each of them and feed them the apple. So 4-minute potions in here. And then this dispenser needs to be empty. It has a max capacity of 14 minecarts, so that's how many you can stack here before minecarts start piling up without getting picked up by the hopper. Now I'll show you how to get the zombie in. So you want to make sure that it's lined up with this block. That way the zombie has a line of sight around this corner to the villagers and he can attack them. So how we'll do that is we'll make sure there's some blocks here and then we just push the minecart into them. As you can see, drops onto the rail, and if I enable hitboxes you can see that there's a little bit of a gap between this side, but this one is completely up against that block. Make sure he's covered. And then give him a strong weapon. It doesn't have to have enchants, but that's awkward. Okay, there we go. So the reason I'd at least give it an axe is so that this zombie can damage the villagers even when he gets splashed with weakness, since if you want to do a couple batches back to back, he will get affected by the weakness potion. So make sure that he can at least get the first one converted even when he's affected with weakness. All the information as well as a schematic will be in the description. But anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.